Tampa's newest Crystal Lagoon community is about 16 miles south of Brandon Mall. This new 5-bedroom 3-bath home with a 2-car garage is over 3,300 square feet. It has a nice 12 by 11-foot bedroom downstairs with a full bath. The owner's suite is upstairs with 3 other bedrooms and a laundry room. The owner's suite is a generous 16 by 13 feet plus a 9 by 11-foot sitting room. Downstairs is also a large living room open to the dining and kitchen. There is also a flex room. The community will feature a lagoon pool over 5 acres in size along with an island, beach areas, a swim-up bar, recreation areas and a café. The community also features ultra-fi internet service. Contact Derrick today for more info. Derrick@dadrealtor.com